Hey everyone, welcome back to CBSE Learners. We are extremely sorry for not uploading videos for a longer period of time because of some problems. Now we are all solved with all our problems and we are ready to bring our new video on vocabulary. So let's start with our video on vocabulary. Let's see how we can use all these words into idiomatic sense, and we can use these words in our speech just to make it interesting, not to make it monotonous. Okay, now let's start with the word break. Now we can use the word break or broke down instead of failed. Now let's see the example. The hosts picked up the youths when their bus broke down, right? And instead of using stopped suddenly in your regular speech, you can use the word broke off. He broke off in the middle of his story. Now, instead of using the word quarrel with, you can use the word break with. I'm not interested to break with him. Okay, or else I'm interested to break with him. That's your choice. Broke into, entered by force. So instead of saying he entered my home with force, you can say yesterday few robbers broke into the bank, or few robbers broke into my home. Instead of saying these normal words, we can use some idioms to make it interesting, right? So next, see how we can use the word bring. Brought about means caused. So instead of using the boring word caused, we can use the word brought about. His carelessness has brought about his ruin. Okay, brought about means caused. Bring forth, produce or cause. So instead of using produce or cause, which we normally use, right, we can use the word bring forth. Hard work brings forth success in life. Next comes the word brought forward, which means adduced. Instead of using adduced, you can use the word brought forward. He brought forward several cogent arguments in support of his scheme. Brings in, which means yields, as rent. The flat brings in rupees 7,000 a month. Bring out means show. So instead of using show, you can use the word bring out. It's extremely important for a good teacher to tell stories to bring out the meaning of a lesson, right? So you can understand why we are using these idioms, just to make our speech interesting, not make it monotonous. Brought out, published. Now, published instead of the word publish, you can use bring out or brought out. Famous nutritionist Rujita Divekar has brought out her new book on nutrition. So instead of using this example, this is just an example. Instead of using these sentences, it doesn't mean that you are required to use these sentences. I am giving this example just to make sure that you use these words in your regular speech. Brought up, reared. This is a very common idioms we usually use. Brought up. Rekha is brought up by her grandparents, right? Brought up means reared. Next comes the word call. Let's see how we can use the word call. Called for means demanded. Instead of using the word demanded, you can use the word called for. His principal called for an explanation for his misconduct. Next, number 2 is call out, which means draw forth. So either you can use call out or you can use the word draw forth. Both mean same. New responsibilities often call out virtues and abilities unsuspected before. Next comes the word call in, summon or send for. This is a very usual example, right? We usually use this word call in our everyday speech, in our everyday life. So call in the mischievous student immediately or call in the doctor immediately means summon or send for. Called on, paying a brief visit. He called on me yesterday. If you want to pay or if you want to say that you paid someone a brief visit or a small visit, you can say called on. I just called on him, right? Called up means recollect or call up means recollect. So recollect means remembering. My friend couldn't call up his childhood memories because of his short term memory loss. So you can use the word recollect, remember, or you can use the idiomatic sense or the idiomatic word of these words like call up. Okay, so I hope you learned some new vocabulary today, and to learn more vocabulary please keep in touch with us and our videos. Please like our videos if you like the video, and share with your friends if you think this video is useful to anyone. Okay, and please subscribe if you still didn't subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.